Are very simple looking tags, but with NFC chips inside it. So how do you use it? NFC tag stores a very tiny amount of data. It might be, you can say 899 bytes. It might be less than kilobytes. Well, NFC tags can be programmed for anything. If you want to set an alarm, or you want to save your Wi-Fi password, or even you can save your contact details. These are some of the apps for programming your NFC tags. You can program an NFC tag for setting up an alarm, saving your Wi-Fi password, or saving your contact details. Or even, you can program your phone profiles. So whenever your friend asks you for your Wi-Fi password, just ask them to hold the phone to the tag and it will connect the Wi-Fi automatically. Or anybody asks for your contact details, you can just ask him to do the same thing. Well, each tag can perform only one task. So if you override a task upon another task in the tag, it will delete the older task and take the new task.